Welcome back, guys. And in today's era, everybody is using mobile and that to internet. And data is the big problem now. The persons who are using the postpaid mobile that have with unlimited data may be experiencing the slowness of data, but the person who are using the daily data means or monthly the data monthly they have some plan how the persons will know about their uses, how they set the data log, the data warning, the data limit. In this video I'm going to cover that. So welcome, guys, and if you are new to this channel, please consider to subscribe this channel. So not wasting much of your time, just go to, if you are new and you want to set your data, means if you are, suppose in 1 month you are provided with 20 GB of data, then you want that at 10 GB you get the data warning limit, and at 15 GB the data limit should be there, that nobody can able to use the data. Or if you are giving a mobile to a person who is using your data, how can you limit the data that the person cannot use the data more than you want him to use? So for this, just go to the setting. There are two methods: go to the setting, then connections, and then data users. Or one more way I will tell you, just go to the mobile data and press it long. You will automatically direct it there, and here you saw that I have trial purpose, I have limited the data. So here you can see that many options are there: data saver, more data, mobile data region. So we will go here, mobile data users. Here you can come to know that which app is using how much data in that time. So this is the, here one setting is button is there, just go there, and here you can select your billing cycle. Means if you are billing, if you are recharging data at first, then you set first. Or if you are using a postpaid mobile and your billing cycle starts with first, then set, or any date in which your billing cycle is being started, set data warning. Suppose you have been provided with 6 GB data, then set, you must turn on the data and you set 4 MB or GB. I'm selecting GB. So at 4 GB data you will get data warning. But if you have used some data, that is limit, because here you can select the data limit. Means if you have been provided with 6 GB data, you can set your data warning at 4 GB and data limit at 5 GB. This will totally depend on you. So this was all about I wanted to tell you how to set the data limit if you are using a postpaid mobile or a daily mobile mobile limit data is available with you. And if you are giving the mobile to in the person of in the other person's hand and you want to limit the data, then you can set the data limit from here. So thank you, guys, thank you very much for seeing this video. Subscribe it, please subscribe it, and please do share it with your friends on social media at home. Thank you very much, guys.